Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! I know everything. Is this Preston? Hey, is this Haley? Haley and Melania. Donovan over here.
Who is that?
Merry Christmas.
Merry
I ate all
Santa. Would you like to come and sit down, Santa?
Yes, I would.
Little Bingo Sack.
Let's get into
Did
some
anybody bring cookies and milk for our Santa Claus?
I did it last night.
highlight.
Did you come to our house?
Oh,
Did you come to our house last night?
I came to your house. I went swimming in your pool. Yes, for real. I came to your house too. I was playing on the jungle gym.
What does that house look like? Let's see if you know. What does that house look like? What do they have?
They have a big house.
You came to my house before. How do you know I have a pool?
Because I went swimming in it. Oh, oh, oh.
Santa Claus, do you have any gifts for me?
I got gifts. Okay, first gift is foam stickers for the boys.
Uh-oh. Oh, those look girly. That's girly. No, is that for you? That can't be for you.
He has his hand out.
These are, oh, those are for the girls. I'm sorry.
Put your glasses on.
I just got these new glasses, so you gotta bear with me. These are for the boys.
And you, what? Oh my God, you could write on the windows with those.
I want candy cane.
You're welcome, kids. Here you go, Daddy.
He has candy canes in there.
Candy
Stickers.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh.
Oh, oh, oh.
Thank you, Santa Claus.
And for the adults, some candy.
I don't think you have it.
Brandon, do you want to sit in Santa Claus's lap? Hey, Jessica, why don't you sit in Santa Claus's lap and he'll say, ho, ho, ho.
Hey, you with the red blazer, come tell Santa what you want for Christmas. Jessica.
Jessica. Jessica, Santa doesn't bite.
Come over here, little fella.